episode 5 of the GSR build. So now we're fully running this motor in this DC2. We've done a 2,000 kilometer run in and we've used a 10W40 V1 oil. And since it's all been running properly, we decided to take it to Meremere for some drags and try some records. So check out this episode today and find out what happened. Hey guys, so we finally made it to Meremere. Got both the cars here, as you can see, DC2 and the EJ there. Some fat mags on it. So today we're gonna try to set some records. It's balanced first time on the drags and the Civic. So yeah, work wheels on this DC2 with the 003s on it. I had the same exact motor in my Civic a couple of years ago, and the time I did was about 14.7, as you can see. So I'm gonna try and aim something closer to that with this engine. So now I've got the 97 spec Type R motor in my car with the same long ratio GSR box in there, LSE S80, and I managed to do 14.5 with this Type R motor setup. So from last one, 14.5 I did it in this car with this same exact setup. Now we've got semi-slicks on it. Last time I had the RE003s on it. Now we've got the semi-slicks Toyota 888s. So let's see if Bowen can beat my old time. Right guys, we're gonna now fire up the cars and do a couple of runs. We'll see you guys out there. Waiting in the lanes. I'm praying that the Civic's going to be racing this thing. Good luck to Bhavin. And some nice new kids here. A lot of people waiting for the track to be happening again. Guys, we've done 2 rounds. Last one, I'm about to face my own car. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna record this one. So we're back again. Went to the drags last week, as you guys saw. Had a pretty good run with this EJ1 here. That one's first time. Ran the Toro Ultra plates, as we mentioned. Looks pretty nice, and did a pretty good run on this DC2 here as well. Looking good. So let's have a look at the timesheets. All right, so let's start with the DC2, which is this one here, 365. Still in the car. Right, so the first one I did was 15.34 here, left side. Next one was 15.39, a little bit later. And then this white one here was against Balvin. This was our worst run, as you saw. Did 16 seconds, and then Balvin did 18 seconds. I think that it wasn't shifting to second gear after it launched from first at 8,000 revs. So something went wrong there. And my last one was 15.46, just over there. So the best one I got on the DC2 was actually my first run, 15.34. Pretty happy with that time. The same GSI motor in my Civic a couple of days ago, I did 15.7. So I'm glad I beat that old record. And let's have a look at the EJ1. So Balvin's first run he got in the EJ was 15.62. Then the next one onwards was 15.073. 366. Next one was 18 seconds, like I mentioned, the worst one we had. And then the final one, we got 15.44, which is not bad. So the best timing that Balvin pulled off in my Civic was 15.07 with the Toyota Triple Eights. Not bad for a first timer, still goes pretty hard. And I'll just show you my personal best timing that I did. It was last year, 2017 July. I managed to get 14.536 in my Civic with the same setup, just with the double threes on them, exact same setup as you can see here. This time Balvin had more traction, but for some reason, because it was the first timer, did 15, not bad to be honest. My first run I did was actually a lot worse. I think it was like 16 or 17, so as you keep driving, you get better. But yeah, hopefully we can go back there next year and set some more time records, so we'll see you guys next time.